Hi, my name's Leanne from the Modern Wellness Expert, and welcome to this guided meditation designed to help reduce menopause symptoms, specifically focusing on hot flashes. This meditation uses breathwork, visualization, and relaxation techniques to help calm the body and mind, cool internal heat, and restore inner balance. So let's begin by you finding a comfortable seated or lying position in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Gently close your eyes and begin to settle in to the present moment. Allow your body to relax deeply as you begin to turn your attention inwards. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself beginning to relax, letting go of any tension or any stress. Breathe in deeply through your nose for the counts of 4, allowing your belly to expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth to the count of 6. Continue this deep, full breathing, inhaling for the count of 4, exhale for the count of 6, and let your breath become steady and calming. And as you breathe, let go of any distractions around you, allowing the rhythm of your breath to bring you into a peaceful, present state. And with each breath, feel your body soften and become more relaxed, now more grounded. Bring your awareness to your body. Take a moment to check in with how you're feeling. So gently scan from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, and notice any areas of tension or discomfort. And as you exhale, imagine those areas of tension just melting away and releasing like warm air evaporating around you. So let's start with your feet. Feel the ground beneath you and the weight of your body supported by the earth or the bed beneath you. Slowly move your awareness through your feet to your ankles, through your calves, your knees, your thighs, and your hips. And with each exhale, release tension and allow your muscles to soften and relax. Almost feel as if your muscles are softening and releasing and sliding off your bones into the surface beneath you or the space around you. And continue up through your belly to your chest, your shoulders, your arms and hands, even to every finger and every fingertip. And feel each part of your body becoming heavier and more relaxed. And notice your neck, your throat, your face, and your scalp. And allow your facial muscles to soften, your jaw to release and unclench, and you can slightly part your lips to allow this to happen, and soften your tongue, all the muscles around your face and around your eyes, all the tiny muscles that have been keeping your eyes open and alert all day, and the muscles across your forehead to soften and relax as well. And just let your whole body settle into stillness, supported by the earth, free of tension. Now, if you're experiencing a hot flash in this moment, or feeling heat in your body, simply acknowledge it with compassion. You may be feeling heat in your chest, your neck, or your face, or even throughout your whole body. And without resistance, notice the sensation of that heat. Allow it to be there without judgment. And imagine the heat as energy moving through your body, and simply observe where you feel it. And know that this heat is temporary, and you have the power to gently release it. So breathe into this heat for a moment, accepting it as it is, and prepare to use your breath and your awareness to begin cooling and calming your body. Now begin to use the power of your amazing imagination to help cool down your body and your mind. So start by imagining a soft, cool breeze surrounding your body, and visualize this cool air gently flowing over your skin, starting at the top of your head. You may want to imagine you have a fan positioned next to you, and you can feel the coolness moving down your face, your neck, and your shoulders. And picture this cooling energy traveling down your arms, past your chest, and into your belly. And as this cool breeze moves through you, it brings a sense of relief, calming the internal heat. And let this cool energy travel through your hips, your legs, and all the way down to the tips of your toes. And imagine this cool breeze is flowing into every cell of your body, soothing, cooling, calming. Really see every cell of your body being cooled down. And with each inhale, feel the coolness becoming stronger. And with each exhale, feel any excess heat dissipating, leaving your body and your mind calm and refreshed. Now, as you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a healing light entering your body. This light could be cool and soothing, like the gentle glow of moonlight, or a calming blue shade. And visualize this healing light entering through the crown of your head. And as it does, it begins to gently cool and rebalance your whole internal system. And this light moves through your head, down into your chest, into your heart and solar plexus, balancing your energy and bringing a sense of peace and tranquility. Now feel it moving down through your abdomen and lower back, cooling any residual heat and restoring harmony to your body. Let this light continue down your legs, past your knees, and all the way down to the soles of your feet. And as this light fills your body, feel it healing any imbalances, especially the hormonal fluctuations that can cause hot flashes. And know that your body is capable of finding its natural balance, and with this light you're supporting your body's own power in doing so. So now silently repeat the following affirmations in your mind and allow the words to resonate deeply within you. I am calm, cool, and at peace. My body is balanced and at ease. I welcome the flow of harmony and comfort into my body. I release heat and embrace tranquility. Now we're going to begin. I trust my body to restore tension, its natural balance, any thoughts or sensations that might be lingering. And as you repeat these affirmations, with each exhale, each word, feel yourself releasing any stress or discomfort, allowing your mind, letting it melt away to absorb the peaceful energy and deeper and soothing into relaxation. And imagine that with every breath out, you are releasing any heat, any discomfort, any sense of imbalance. And allow yourself to simply rest in the calm, cool stillness of the present moment. And know that your body is capable of self-regulating, and that with this practice you are supporting your body in its natural healing and cooling process. As we near the end of this healing meditation, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, carrying with you the sense of calm and coolness that you've cultivated here today. And take a deep grounding breath in. And as you exhale, feel any remaining tension or heat release from your body. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room, gently noticing the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, reconnecting to your physical body. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing your full attention back to the present moment. So take a final moment to reflect on how you feel. Perhaps you notice a sense of calm, balance and relief. And know that the coolness and tranquility that you've invited into your body will continue to support you in the hours ahead. And whenever you feel the heat of a hot flash or discomfort arising, you can return to this practice using your breath and visualization to restore balance and coolness. So take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel centered, calm and at ease, and carry this sense of coolness and peace with you, knowing that you have the power to return to this state of relaxation and comfort at any time. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Remember, you can return to this meditation anytime you need if you feel hot flashes, or you can practice it regularly to keep them at bay.